quickly go through various card types, right? The debit card and various cards. We always named it, right? Debit card is something you can withdraw money from the banks. Also, you can purchase it, right? Anything. The prepaid cards is something like you can cash cards. You can use the put money on that, and then you can purchase it from any of the entities. Like most of the time, I have seen that in the 7-Eleven or something, that the marts, okay, family marts. So a lot of things you can do it with the prepaid cards. The credit card, which is issued by the financial company, because you can purchase even though you don't have the money inside of your bank account, but still you can purchase some goods or goods through this credit card. They will give you some credit limit to purchase anything, right? Yeah, I mean, this again, Sodexo and everything, various cards is there. Sodexo is also, this is a card system. You can purchase it. It's given by one specific entity, right? So that is also there. And various cards in the market, charge cards. This is something like, you can short-term loan type cards. After generally what is happened, the difference between the credit card and the charge card is credit card. If you see this, one entity issue the credit card to you, and you have to whatever the credit, whatever purchases you made in a specific period of time, they will give you some 45 days or 30 days credit period. You are supposed to pay them, right? But sometimes it also happens like there is a minimum amount and the total overdue amount. You understand, right? Minimum amount due and the total amount due. If you can pay the minimum amount, still you can pay rest of the amount in the next cycle also. But for that you need to, interest needs to be paid. But charge card is a short-term loan. Okay. Generally, the 55 days you have to pay the 100% loan amount. It's only one time, right? You purchase something from the 55 days, because there are a lot of institutes are giving different types of cards with the validity. But you have to enter date of purchase to payment due date, which is 100% you are supposed to pay. Otherwise, you will not get that loan again in the entire your life. So it's a one-time kind of a thing. Every time you have to meet the deadline of the due date with a 100% payment. In the credit card, you don't need to be 100% payment, right? You will pay sometime. You will pay rest of the amount in the next cycles, but you have to pay the interest. But the charge card is something different. Now ATM card, most of the people known for this, ATM card. ATM card is basically used just for getting the money out of the ATM machines. The fleet cards, the fleet cards is something like it's a prepaid cards only, but generally it is given to the employees for using in a specific petrol or diesel or something, gas filling stations. Just like I have seen, for example, the Grab, in your side, at Southeast Asia, it's a Grab, or maybe in India, it's a Uber or something. They will get some kind of a cards. They can go and specifically they can use it in the specific petrol bunks or the gas stations. So this is how they can reduce the transaction. Now, these are the various card types, right? There are a lot of other card types also there, but predominantly different cards are like this. Now the card technologies. So when you look at the cards, there will be different types of technologies being used. So any cards, sir. So that's what I'm saying. The cards can be any cards. Someone is asking, Kisan Credit. There are different cards. Card is card. Okay, the purpose of the card will be different. Sometimes the card can be used to only withdraw money. Sometimes the card can be used to purchase anything, and later on you can pay that. Sometimes it is a what the privilege cards are, some only clubs you can go and you can use the card to access that location or the premises. Sometimes you can only use the, for example, the Sodexo coupons. You can only purchase the goods. You cannot purchase something different things, right? Only food items only you can purchase. So there are various cards are there, but among them we are more concentrate, the payment industry concentrate on the payment branded cards, that is the debit cards or the credit cards. Okay, anything which you can do some financial transactions. Now, what are the different types of technologies being used. One is embossed card. Okay, the embossed is the, you can see if you have some cards you can take it, and sometimes generally the debit cards is not embossed, the credit cards are embossed. Embossed means when you touch the surface of the card you feel the difference, right? It's embossed. So generally payment card are imprinted on the surface, and where actually you will use this embossed cards is imprint machines. I don't know how many people have seen these imprint machines. It's like a small Xerox machine. You keep the card there and just push that, the thing. I think I have also shown in some time in the same slides. In the next slides, let me show you that. Yeah, you can see this imprint machine, right? The last one. This is a small machine which can be used to imprint that entire embossing data on the carbon copy. So that's what the imprint machine. Magnetic stripe technologies, that's already we discussed some time back, like what is the magnetic stripe data. Okay, then the reprogrammable magnetic cards, just generally it is used for the access controls or anything, employee IDs or something, because one employee went out, resigned or whatever it is, and automatically is reprogrammed the data, right? So somebody, you can issue the same card to some other person. So reprogrammable magnetic cards, the smart cards, which already most of the widely known by now, the smart cards wherein the chip cards and everything. Proximity cards, yes, again, you don't need to even insert or you don't need to swipe. You just take that card to the nearby the device, automatically it will take the data from that. So most of the now cards are also coming like this, but there is a lot of risks also involved in this. Okay, so you don't need to have the physically touch that particular card to take the data. Even nearby, you can steal that. There are a lot of people can trying to do that. So we have to be aware that kind of a things. So these are the various card technologies.